All right, we're back with part 2 of the finding equations lesson. This should be short and sweet, we hope. We've got another situation, a quartic function. So we realize there's going to be a total of 4 factors. Quartic function has zeros at -3, -1, and a double root at x equals 2. We might be tempted to start with a sketch, and maybe not everyone would do this, but a little sketch just to get our thoughts organized. 0 is at -3 and -1, and a double root at 2. So we know it bounces either this way or this way. We don't know which, right, because we don't know the stretch factor, but we do know it goes through the point 372, right? So that means if it's got to go through this point and then through here, it's going to start and end high, right? This is what it's going to look like: a bounce at 2, 2 slashes, and then that's going to be the sketch, right? So now we have to come up with the function. The first step is to write down the family. The family of curves would be y equals a stretch factor that we don't know yet, and then each of these zeros, the x-intercepts go with a factor, right? The first one's a linear factor, the second one a linear factor, and then a double or quadratic factor gives me the last bit. So again, a quartic, there's 1 bracket, 2 bracket, and another 2 makes a degree 4 altogether. So that kind of makes sense. And now with my point 372, I can calculate what this unknown stretch factor was. And hopefully we get it to be positive, because that's what our sketch made us think. And then I put in x is 3. And then I calculate all this. This is 9 times 4 is 36. Oh, no, 6. 6 times 4 is 24 times, yeah, 24a. And then divide by 24 on both sides, and I get a is 3. So therefore the equation is y equals 3, x plus 3, x plus 1, x minus 2 squared. And notice it starts high and ends high, just like we figured. And now, as promised, once in a while, we have these save an example, you do some reading. So this is one of the ones where you're given the graph instead of the information in writing. So you have to read the pertinent information from the graph. And you're going to learn this one from example 5. If you remind me, or if I forget, to ask to post my solution of this one on Facebook, and so you can have another example to read, we can do that. But do some textbook learning. It'll make you a better university student. Do that now, and then in class there's the homework and an FAQ and same old routine now. All right.